Hi, this is Neil James, back with another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to append a Word document or an Excel document within another Word document. So you could use this if you wanted to create a feedback form or if you're appending something to a college assignment. So first you'd want to do is place your cursor to where you want your icon to be, and then you go up to Insert tab here. Once you've clicked that, you go over here to Text, you click the down arrow. Once you've done that, you click Object, and then you select what kind of worksheet you want. So for this, I'm going to do Microsoft Excel worksheet. So then you click check this box as display as icon. It should display as this icon here. And then you click from File. So my file is located on the desktop, so it's shopping list here. So I'm just going to click on that and click Insert. And the little icon will appear here. So to append a Word document, it's the exact same thing. So click down arrow, click Object, select Word document. Make sure that that's still checked. From File, Desktop, Research, and click Insert. And it's as simple as that. If you didn't do it that way, it'd show up like this. So I'll just give you an example. I'll just delete this now. And I have the object here. So I'm just going to drag it across. And it actually copies the text from the document. So if you have a long document, you can display it as an icon like this. And to view it, all you have to do is simply click on it, and it'll open up with the application of what you need. So that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.